Namaste Acharya, I am Madhulika from Pune, and I am taking this opportunity to connect with all the wonderful women who are watching this right now. We all know that God has given us the power to create the life within us. But I learned through Acharya's Garbha Sanskar classes to how to project this power in such a way that I create the capable child with the great personality I want in it. Not only this, Acharya's Garbha Sanskar classes are not just any spiritual or religious classes, but it's very much scientific Garbha Sanskar classes. All the women who are trying for pregnancy or those who are pregnant, if you ever thought that my baby should be this way or that way, believe me, you have only one chance to mold your baby as you want, and don't miss this chance. Connect with Acharya's Garbha Sanskar classes, join these classes and learn how to mold your baby, how to make your baby, and how to fulfill your wish of having a great personality in him. Thank you.